Hi, today I'm going to tell you on how the Earth moves and how seasons work and etc. Now, let's say this flashlight is the sun, and this styrofoam ball is the Earth. Now, and this is a person. If we put him right here, and the sun's right here, I have many evidence to prove that the sun doesn't go around like this. We need, Kevin, I'm filming some stuff. Thanks. Okay, so we know that the sun doesn't go around the Earth. First of all, we can see because this person right here might look like to him that the sun is moving. But really what's happening is the Earth is rotating around the sun. Like this. But it's very slow. It's spinning as it rotates. So it spins in two different ways. One way, it's spinning just like this. Like that. The other way is it's going around the sun, orbiting it. Now, once it goes around the sun, that's 1 year. And once it spins around like that, that's 1 day. So, one second. Where did this sheet go?
Oh, is it right there? I know you're sharing a sheet, that's okay.
So, how do we have seasons then? Seasons are very confusing, but I think I'll be able to explain them to you. If the sun's right here, and the Earth comes around here, it's shining right here. So how about it shining right where this pin is? The pin is the closest point right now towards the sun. Now let's say this is fall, because because right here we are actually experiencing summer because the sun's super close, way more hotter, and it makes the season summer. Well, let's say we start turning and we're like this now. Then this moved on to fall. It's a little more colder now. We'll only have a little sun. But we're still turning like that. We're still turning to keep looking at the sun. The sun doesn't just face this way. It's completely a circle. Also, once we go around and we're on this end, we might still be facing like this, right? But this person has been turning so much that he's right here, like this. This does something very big because he's not getting any sunlight as much, so it's very cold and makes winter. But let's say he goes like this now it's spring. Or this now it's summer. Or this now it's fall. Do you get the pattern? I'll be right back. Thank you for waiting. Okay. Alright. So, now, you're probably wondering, I know I explained about seasons, but how does day and night work? Okay, so let's say this little pin is a person, and here's the sun. Now, right now, the person is facing the sun. We don't know, it could be any season right now. But right now, the Earth is going around and it sees the sun, so it's daytime, it's light out. But when the Earth turns around in 24 hours, it's a new day, so it would be sun again. But as it's turning around, when it's over here in its turning pattern, you will be sleeping because it'll be nighttime, unless it's New Year's.
Alright,
What's this one?
rotation versus revolution. How the Earth rotates. You sure? Well, can I put this in? This looks so fun. Are you done with your video?
Okay. Oh, I didn't know it was that long, okay? Look, I'm trying. It's a lot to tell. Okay, now, the Earth, this makes a very big difference. That the Earth is tilted. The reason this makes a difference is because...
You know what rotation means? Revolution means it going around. Okay.
Sorry about that. Now, since it's tilted, and this little guy's right here, that makes such a big difference. Because, look, let's say the Earth was still there. The sun is pointing this direction. So it's hitting the closest to the Earth right here. And that makes a big difference on heat. Because the Earth is tilted. So if you live up here, that makes a big difference. It could be more cold and not as hot as it is down here. But the Earth is always turning. So the sun's always hitting one spot of the Earth. And then it might hit you. Also, if you wanted to know, it's tilted at a 23.5 degree angle. Thank you for watching.